Could you explain to us, Theo, what are local inventory ads and what makes those so effective for e-commerce brands with physical stores?
Local inventory ads, basically, you have your separate local feed, just the same way that you've got your merchant center feed, but specific to your store, which gives you all the availability of your items at that present location. So when people are searching for a product online and they fall within your proximity of your store, they can see whether you've got that product in physical location and they can come and collect it. So that's in a nutshell what local inventory ads are. But what makes these ads particularly effective is that they bridge that gap between the online shopping and your local availability. So I've already mentioned that when they search online, they can see what products you've got just down the road, and having that thought in their head, wow, okay, this product is available right now. I don't need to wait for a delivery tomorrow. I'm just going to pop by and pick it up today, and that gives them a really good incentive to come down and have that in-person experience and result in a visit, right? They also give you prime visibility in the Google Shopping tab. When people are searching on Google Shopping, you've got the local filter. So advertisers that don't use local inventory ads, you get a lot of advantage in front of these advertisers, right? So, and another strength I just want to mention is that the detailed local storefront that these ads create, because shoppers can see your in-store inventory as mentioned, but they can also see your opening hours. They can get easy directions to where your business is, and you can even run special in-store promotions, all without leaving Google. So I think that reduces the friction that people would probably have and makes the store visit much more likely to happen.
Thanks for watching this clip from the Paid Media Lab. If you found it useful, you can get the full-length episode on the Lunio YouTube channel, where you can also subscribe to catch all our latest releases. And if you want free tools, reports, and guides to help you uplift the efficiency of your PPC campaigns, head to lunio.ai and click on the Resources tab in the nav bar. See you in the next one.